I've been having quite a challenge. Strong wind from the west keeps blowing me back west. And finally I found a climb, a major climb, but it's right on the edge of a big rainstorm. As you can see, there's a line of rain. So I'm just on the edge of it, taking the up. Trying to get 8,000 feet. Here we come, 8,000 feet. So now I could go around it or through it, and here we go. Look at that rain. Hopefully you can see it. It looks so odd. Nope, here comes the rain. It's going to get wet. Shaky. There's Georgian Bay. I'm over Mansfield. There we go. We'll get around this rain shower. Now I got a ton of glide. And maybe if I stay close to the rain, I'll keep getting lift. Oh, it's getting wet. There's the water. Speed up, get through this. I don't know, can you see that rain? 8,000